Warning, if you are a commercial real estate property owner, you need to watch this video. Hey, this is Mendy with my insurance claim expert, here to answer all your insurance related questions. Today I want to talk about a very important clause of your insurance policy, and that is the coinsurance penalty. In fact, if you went out there and asked most adjusters or even agents to explain the coinsurance penalty, it's so complex they probably wouldn't be able to give you a complete understanding. I'm going to go over the basics today, and that's understanding what the coinsurance penalty is and how it applies. So the idea of coinsurance penalty is the insurance company wants you to be properly insured on the property. For example, they don't want you having $1 million property where you only have $100,000 of insurance coverage. So what they have is a penalty that says if you don't have a certain percentage of the property insured, they're going to penalize you and pay you less than they should if you do have a loss. So let's just take, for example, your property is worth $100,000 to replace it, and you have an 80% coinsurance clause. You must have $80,000 worth of insurance on this property to be paid properly in the event of a loss. Now, if it would take $200,000 to replace this property and you only have $100,000, meaning you only have 50%, you are significantly less than the amount you need to be insured for, which would be $160,000 in that particular case. Therefore, they're going to calculate the percentages that you're underinsured by, and let's just say you're underinsured by 40%. They're going to pay you 40% less on your claim. So if you have $100,000 of damages, they're going to apply that 40% penalty and pay you $60,000 instead of $100,000. I can't stress this enough how often we see properties which are underinsured and therefore suffer from this coinsurance clause. In fact, we just had one we've just about resolved where the insurance company tried to say that they were underinsured by 70%, wanted to put in place a 70% coinsurance penalty, paying 30 cents on the dollar of damages. Luckily, we were able to work this claim to show a proper valuation of the claim where they were still underinsured. However, it was more that they were underinsured by about 15 to 20% versus 70%. So please, every year when you renew your policy, make sure those values are accurate. Pull reports to show the value of the property and base it upon that so that you don't suffer from a coinsurance penalty. If you have any further questions, email me questions@pantherpa.com. As always, I'm happy to review your policies to ensure that you're properly insured. I'd rather you know the information you need now before you have damages than after the fact when it's too late. Thanks for watching. Please tell your friends about us, share, give us a like, and have a great day.